In the heart of a world gripped by geopolitical tensions, where Western sanctions were meant to cripple Russia's aerospace might, a thunderous roar echoes across the skies. Russia has just delivered a powerful shock to the West. The Mi-171A3 helicopter is now fully certified, built entirely from Russian-made components. This isn't just another rotorcraft. It's a masterpiece of resilience, innovation, and raw engineering superiority that proves Moscow's technological sovereignty is unbreakable. Amid frozen Arctic winds, stormy seas, and vast oil platforms hundreds of kilometers from shore, the Mi-171A3 slices through the elements like a predator unchained. Certified on March 27, 2026, by Russia's Federal Air Transport Agency after over 500 grueling test flights in extreme conditions, from the mountains of Kabardino-Balkaria to the icy tundra of Salakard and the choppy waters of the Caspian Sea. This helicopter stands as living proof that sanctions only fuel Russian ingenuity. While the West bet on isolating Russia, our engineers replaced every imported part with domestic excellence, achieving full import substitution without compromising a single ounce of performance. At its core, the Mi-171A3 is an evolution of the legendary Mi-8, Mi-17 family, but elevated to a new generation. With a maximum takeoff weight of 13,000 kilograms, it dominates its class. It can haul up to 24 passengers in comfort or 4 tons of internal cargo, with the option for an external sling load reaching 5 tons. Ideal for delivering heavy equipment to remote outposts or disaster zones. Powered by twin VK2500PSO3 turboshaft engines featuring an advanced smart control system, the helicopter adapts instantly to any altitude, temperature, or load. These Russian-built power plants deliver unmatched reliability, optimizing fuel efficiency and thrust whether you're hovering over icy platforms or cruising through blizzards. Range: more than 850 kilometers on main fuel tanks, up to 1,000 kilometers in optimal configurations, letting it ferry crews and supplies far offshore without refueling. Cruise speeds push 220 to 250 kilometers per hour, but it's the safety and versatility that truly set it apart. Designed from a fully digital, twin, model for precision manufacturing, the Mi-171A3 boasts a revolutionary crash-resistant fuel system, the first of its kind made entirely in Russia. Flexible tanks, pumps, and gauges withstand impacts from drops over 15 meters, more than 50 feet, sealing shut to prevent leaks or fires even in catastrophic scenarios. This system was rigorously tested through ground simulations, numerical modeling, and real-world drops at St. Petersburg Polytechnic University. For offshore operations, the helicopter's primary mission, it's a game-changer compliant with the stringent IOGP standards demanded by global energy giants. An emergency flotation system deploys 4 inflatable pontoons automatically on water contact, keeping the aircraft stable in sea states up to Beaufort 5. 2 life rafts, each supporting full passenger loads with survival kits, ensure rapid evacuation. It performs Category A flights, instrument approaches in zero visibility, day or night operations over land or sea, and even landings on elevated pads. Arctic certified, it thrives in -50°C extremes, making it indispensable for Russia's booming northern energy projects and polar exploration. But this helicopter isn't just about raw power, it's a strategic triumph. In an era when Western suppliers slammed doors shut, Russia didn't falter. 7 major type certificate amendments were granted, including full approval for the convertible offshore configuration and that groundbreaking domestic fuel system. As Deputy Minister of Industry and Trade Gennady Abramenkov declared, this certification isn't merely technical, it's a milestone for national aviation independence. It secures safe, Efficient operations on offshore oil and gas fields supercharges Russia's energy sector and opens doors for exports to allies in Asia, Africa, and beyond. China has already shown keen interest. No more reliance on foreign parts that could be weaponized against us. Every rivet, every circuit, every blade is proudly Russian. Imagine the scenes for your video. Sweeping aerial shots of the Mi-171A3 lifting off from a heaving platform at dawn. Pontoons deploying in a controlled water landing test. Cargo doors swinging open to unload vital supplies in the Arctic night. Narration builds as engineers in Ulan-Ude and Kazan plants assemble the airframe, carbon fiber composites from Progress Arseniev, final integration at Ulan-Ude aviation plant. This is Russia's answer to isolation. Self-reliance forged in fire. The West expected collapse. Instead, they face a resurgent aerospace powerhouse. The Mi-171A3 isn't just certified, it's combat-proven in spirit, multi-role ready for civilian transport, search and rescue, or even military logistics if duty calls. Its modernized avionics deliver pinpoint navigation, while the robust design ensures thousands of flight hours with minimal downtime. In a single stroke, Russia has secured its skies, bolstered its economy, and reminded the world, no sanction can ground true innovation. This helicopter symbolizes something deeper, a nation that turns pressure into progress. As global demand for reliable rotary-wing aircraft surges, the Mi-171A3 positions Russia as the unchallenged leader in heavy lift, offshore, and extreme environment aviation. The West is shocked because they underestimated us. But for Russia, this is just the beginning of a new era of dominance in the skies.